interesting things.
You're watching another episode of 3 Interesting Things, and I have picked a beautiful day to sit down and talk with Parks Director John Seibert. I cannot wait to hear what he has to say about Rogers-Lakewood Park.
Well, welcome to Rogers-Lakewood Park. My name is John Seibert, and I have the privilege of being director of Valparaiso Parks. And the pathway system enables people to come in and access the park and be part of healthy living by walking, biking, and running. Lakewood Park is part of the Chain of Lakes system. We have 50 acres of open water here. We have boating, we have fishing. There are 40 and 50 foot elevation changes, and that enables us to have sledding areas, and it is the home of our day camp.
So there you have it, the 3 interesting things about Rogers-Lakewood Park: the trail system, the lake itself, and Derby Hill. Shh, 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 shh. Do you hear that? It's nature.